The farther we move from the exhibit that discloses regional history, the lighter breath feels in lungs. We inhabit space dry and free, devoid of agenda and longing. Instead, close eyes, submit to surge of water and canyon, red clay, skin dust. Eyelashes blonde in sunlight, we converge at vista. Although miles away, we must feel sublime magnetism until light catches switchback, revealing old highway below, green valley of junipers. Sight stretches for miles beyond machines that sway in nature's gardens so vast. We felt small against boulders and cacti until the engines call.